It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.